Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing my very first tier list video. So we're going to be judging candy today. Let's just jump right into it. So first up is Mr. Goodbar. Okay, I added I have not tried. One, because there's a lot of these that I have not tried. I have not tried out. I've never tried a Mr. Goodbar. Next up is the Bucky. I've never tried that. And the 100 grand, I've never tried that. But then there's the Laffy Taffy. I've actually tried these before. These will get a D tier. No, not D tier. B tier. No. Yeah, B tier. And now Hershey's Kisses. That will get an S tier. Because it's so good. Okay, I've never tried these, but no caps, never tried those. Butterfinger. I know it's like so good to you guys, but I don't really like butter. I'm going to pick B. Never tried this. I'm just not going to do it because it's filling up too much. I'm just gonna like delete this because there's a lot of them that I've never tried. Next up is Reese's Pieces. Yeah, Reese's Pieces. That will get an A tier. Next up is Milky Way. B tier. Fun Dip. Oh my god. It's gonna be an A tier. So good. Jolly Rancher Hard Candies. Also a B, and also an B tier. These Reese's. See, again, I don't really like butter, and Reese's Pieces, these little like the M&M's ones are just like chocolate. Reese's and Butterfingers are, Swedish Fish. F. No, E. Like in a whole row. Next up is Rads. Rads Spencer's. I think that one gets a C tier. They're like different flavors, so I can't. Twizzlers. A tier. Most of them are not really getting A tier. Now the Jelly Belly. The normal one that it looks like right now would get a B, but since he made the Bean Boozle, that's gonna get an F. Next up is Sweet Tarts, and C for that. Starburst, A. I love that way much. And this one is like the cherry one. Cherry is my favorite, so that's what. Yeah. Skittles is an A tier. the gold bear or gummy bears is awesome. I thought the S would get the least, but it's actually getting the most. I really like candy. Lifesavers, the D, trolleys. The trolley would have to be an S tier. Okay. Shoppers. The shoppers will be an A tier. The airheads are an S tier. I've always wanted more of those. Crunch. A. Hold on, let me see. Yeah. Double bubble is an B tier. Next up is Twix. B tier. No, A. Next up is Snickers. B. I was gonna do Dum Dums, but I forgot what they taste like, so I'm just going to do Sour Patch Kids. Those are gonna get an S tier. Okay. Next ones are I forgot what they're called, but they're like super spicy candies. F tier because I hate spicy candies. And if you don't remember why I added the Jelly Belly to F, basically because it's really good, but they made the Bean Boozled and I hate that. Next up is the Hubba Bubble. I don't know. But, okay, I like every bubblegum the same amount, so, that would get a B tier, just like, wow, the Hubba Bubble is gonna have to get a B tier, just like the double trouble.
This is my most favorite candy out of all the candy.
I know. Next up is Kit Kat.
Then those dot thingies, like
No. So the next one is going to be these little hard candies. They're really good, but so I would like give them a, but like a B. I would give them a B, but they're too round, so and big. They're too round, so they're always getting in the wrong thing. So I'm gonna put an F. No, E. Next up is Kinder Joy. That will get C. You know, that's just Kinder Egg. That will get the D. With the Kinder Joy, that will get C. M&M's will, oh no, that's Nerds. Well, I'm still going. A and M&M's will get C. Well, Well, that's it of the one